Hey guys, welcome to Moneyball. Good to see you today. Let me take these glasses off. Listen guys, we've got a lot to cover in a short period of time, so let's get to it. This week I'm gonna actually show you how to do something that will delete something from your credit report instantaneously. Do something that will delete something from your credit report instantaneously. You don't have to wait a week. We don't have to talk about it a month from now. You don't have to mail in a letter. Forget all that crap. I'm going to show you a loophole in the system. You heard me right. A loophole that will get it done today. So you're going to get that by the end of this video. Make sure you stick around. Also, guys, remember, I'm also going to show you pieces of my battle with COVID. As you know, if you don't know, I've had COVID basically for the last 2 months, and I've been fighting every day to beat this sucker, and I'm going to beat it. In fact, I already have beat it. But there are some things I've learned along the way, some key devices, techniques, and products that have, in my opinion, saved my life. And I'm going to share those with you. So guys, stick around, hit that like button, smash it, tell the algorithm that you love Moneyball. We'll be right back. Okay guys, welcome back. Remember, there's a lot going on in this video. Make sure you smash the like button. Stay tuned. I still have to show you how we put over $300,000 into our company bank account. Guys, you're really doing yourself a disservice in this era of time that we're in right now if you're not applying for some of these government loans. And I'm going to show you specifically how to apply for them and which ones I'm speaking about. Please don't do yourself the disservice of blowing this off, because it's really, I mean, I've flipped houses with the funds. I've done tons of stuff. I'm going to show you guys. So subscribe. That special content will hit at certain times, and you won't know about it unless you're a member here, okay? Which, by the way, is free of charge. Guys, before we get into how to instantly change your credit score and delete something off your credit report, that's the talk of today's special, because remember, the whole industry is moving towards one to where people can report everything on their own credit bureaus in real time. And that's where it's going. So if you learn how to do this now and get in front of the train, so to speak, guys, you're going to be so much better off. But before we get to that, which is coming right up, as you guys know, I've been struggling with COVID over the last 2 months. So there's been ups and downs, and I've had the love of my wife and, of course, many good friends that have helped me through that. One that I'm sure is watching right now. Good realtor, my preferred realtor, in fact, Mr. Michael Zick. If you guys know about him, please use him. He's great. What I want to let you know is that I'm going to do a video on this. We're going to walk everyone through it because it's important that you know how I made it. There were some twists and turns along that road I took with COVID that I truly believe, had I not done certain things, I could have ended up much worse. Could have fallen into a ditch, so to speak, some quicksand. And if I can save someone from doing that, then so be it. I'm going to try. One of the things I wanted to show you real quick, it's worth the time, it's worth the energy, it's worth the effort, is I searched out a mask that was made in Israel. And it's made from nanotechnology. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's very important. Because the truth of the matter is, guys, none of these masks they're selling today, scarves, whatever you want to put over your face, they are not stopping this horrible virus from entering your respiratory system. You're bringing it home. And again, I hate to preach about this, guys, but I guess it's because I've had it that I can appreciate its powerful destruction. But anyways, back to the mask. So I found a mask called Synovia. I'm going to put the website up on the screen here for you. And here's what it looks like. Now, this is made with nanotechnology. It's sprayed some 52 times over with that. It's washable for over 100 times. And the significance in this, guys, is that it's been proven in a laboratory to kill tons of different viruses. Coronavirus is just one of them. But it destroys the virus coming in and leaving. So this is a mask, reportedly, that you actually could wear to the mall and come out without coronavirus. Now that's important, guys, because I've met many people along the way in the hospital that's been infected not once but 2 times, and they don't know where they got it. We don't need to know where you got it. We just need to know how to not get it, okay? And I believe that one of the first steps, one of the first products that I'll share with you in today's video, more coming in the next videos, but this one here is the Synovia mask. Make sure you get one. I believe the cost is about 60 bucks. Yes, that's a lot to spend for a mask. I understand that. But guys, take a look at my hospital bills. Take a look at the emotional cost, the opportunity cost, and you'll soon realize that I don't care if it's this or whatever else you find. If it helps you combat such a terrible thing, do it, and do it now. All right, on to what you came here for today. I'm going to grab me some props to show you some things. We're going to put some things up on the screen to walk you through. It's important, guys, that you pay special attention to what I'm going to show you. There's some legal stuff that goes along with this, and I'm not going to verbally say it. I'm going to put it up on the screen, which means you're going to have to back this up, stop it, rewind it, and do exactly as I say, and you should be able to see some magic happen in real time, and you're going to be glad you watched this video, okay? Talk to you guys soon. Check this out. Guys, head over to Credit Karma, and then immediately look for the account section. Find the account you want to dispute. Here it's Resurgent, and then I want you to look for next dispute in a few taps. There it is. Leave ownership empty, but head over to accuracy on the right-hand side. Find involved in litigation. Be sure you check that. Last but not least, guys, go over to additional comments, and as you see the statement here, legally, the way it is verbatim, enter it in. Once you do, guys, you're ready to submit. Look for I agree, and then hit submit. And you should see disputed and deleted, guys. Congratulations. Okay, guys, so listen, the information that you just saw is legal, it's protective, it's something that you'll have to rewind and play back in order to use it and see it again. If you don't get the exact same results and the messages that flash thereafter, after you repeated everything that I just showed you, then you did something wrong. So, I hope you enjoy the information. Before you log off, I want to ask you one more big favor. Smash the like button. Please subscribe, share with a friend, post to Facebook. Do me a huge favor today. Go into the weekend with a smash, helping somebody else like me. Thanks, guys. We welcome you here at the Money Ball. Remember, we're always looking out for you. I try to put a no-spin effect on everything I bring to you, which means just the facts. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not here to make you sign up. These people are not paying me. The mask I referred to earlier in this video, they're not paying me a dime, okay? I referred it to you because it works. So enjoy it. Take care of yourself. Next video will be on something good. The reason why I haven't done the $150,000 drop into your bank account yet video is simply because, guys, I'm sorry, but I've been fighting coronavirus. You can probably see I'm a little bit winded right now, and this is what it has done to me. It leaves you in a state of constant wanting more oxygen. But I'm going to share my experiences with you. And one last thing before we go, about the coronavirus. Guys, listen, everyone says, oh, I had it. It was nothing. You know, it was, I had a cough, a sneeze. Listen, everyone's going to say they had it, and maybe they did, okay? But you know you have it when it affects you to the degree of your lungs are being attacked. You're going to know beyond the shadow of a doubt what that feels like, my friends, I promise you. Now, when that happens, you got coronavirus, and you got it to a degree that's really bad because it goes through 3 phases. It's a respiratory disease, starts out as a viral cold infection, a sore throat. It moves to your lungs. That's stage 2, and that's the stage I went to. Stage 3, you're on a ventilator, and good luck if you wake up from there. So that's the effect. But guys, anyways, have a great weekend. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you here soon, and thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.